Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Epson printer to Wi-Fi instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Epson printer to Wi-Fi, start by ensuring your printer is powered on. Locate the control panel on your printer. Press the home button to access the main menu. From the menu, use the arrow keys to navigate to the Wi-Fi setup option. Select the Wi-Fi setup wizard and press OK. Your printer will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Once the list appears, find your Wi-Fi network. Select your network and press OK. You will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to input the password. Make sure to double-check for any typos. After entering the password, select OK or Confirm. The printer will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. A confirmation message will appear once the connection is successful. If the connection fails, double-check your Wi-Fi password and ensure your router is functioning. You can also print a network status sheet to verify the connection. To check if everything is working, try printing a test page. Your Epson printer should now be successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Congratulations on completing the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.